here, what? It's their lifetime.
What the whole family got caught by human? That's why they
No, don't say that. If facing here, I'm taking video of you.
do not jump my phone.
Yeah,
Do not jump my phone.
yeah.
Oh, I'm standing up. Oh.
Ah, so tall. Tuh ada sea otter berenang, ada dua.
No, no, it's not two. Got another one there.
Is it?
This one made from that side.
Ah.
I think it's two only lah.
Oh, makan fish, you know, get the fish, get the big fish, look. Oh my God. Tuh coming the other one.
Sharing.
Ah,
Oh, see, got three.
dia dapat ikan. Oh my gosh, the fish so big, just why they need to share. Oh my God, they are so clever.
They're so cute.
Right.
There's three.
Oh my God, the catching of fish are so cute. There's so many here inside.
I think their house is there.
Hmm,
Maybe
should
they
be.
live there.
Oh man, got sea otter. Yeah. I see it.
How can they eat the fish under the water?
There.
Look.
Under here just now.
They're so cute, baby. Look.
Ah, dia lagi makan ikan. Ini di bawahnya nih. Nih, mana ya? Still catching another. Deh.
Ah, so big, baby, so cute.
Right.
Look.
Oh my God, they are sharing. Hi, sea otter.
I don't like the people.
Are you eating fish?
Oh, maybe that's the lunch.
Yeah lah, I think it's a
And why is
lunch.
that toothbrush in there?
It's not. It's plastic, you know. Oh my God, the fish is the head first. They eat the head first.
Yeah, they eat the head first because right, the if they eat from the tail first, right, got like a bone like that.
I see.
And you feed dolphin and penguin also like that. Feed from the head.
It's so cute.
Bye guys, meet you again. Hopefully you're still there when we come out.
Choy. Tuh, dia lagi sharing. Makan ikan, tadi tangkap ikan. Oh my God, they are so cute. Right.
Okay, we go when you finish eating.
Almost finished, right? Still big, right? Still eating the body. Sea otter.
Guys, this is so cute. And do not drop my phone. If you drop my phone, I will scold you.
So cute lah you. You're going to school, you. Oh my God, the fish is so big, Yuina. What kind of fish is that?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, a lot of fish in there. Oh, so maybe the fish is not good. See? I think it's okay. They're so cute.
Cute
Bye.
banget. Huh? The sound is like that, meh?
Yeah.
It's like guinea pig.
You said that many times.
They are so cute. Why suka sian?
I don't know.
They live here, what? It's their lifetime.
What the whole family got caught by human? That's why they
No, don't say that. If facing here, I'm taking video of you.
do not jump my phone.
Yeah,
Do not jump my phone.
yeah.
Oh, I'm standing up. Oh.
Ah, so tall.
Come on, let's go. Let's go this side.
Hah?
Come on, you see, never do it.
Oke, kita harus jalan lagi guys. Bye,
Bye.
otter.
If you still eating that fish when I come out, I don't know what to say.